I'm Anil Kumar and we'll explore how to sketch graph of a function when we are given information about its derivative. The question here is, sketch a continuous graph that satisfies each set of conditions. F dash x is less than 0 when x is less than minus 3. F dash x is greater than 0 when x is greater than minus 3, and value of function at minus 3 is minus 6. So you could also read this as derivative of the function is negative when x is less than minus 3. Derivative of the function is positive when x is greater than minus 3, right? So that is the derivative information, and as far as the function is concerned, its value at minus 3 is minus 6. That makes more sense. So from here, let us first sketch the graph of derivative itself. So I'll sketch the graph of derivative from the given conditions. It says it is negative when it is less than minus 3. Let us say this is minus 3 for us. Okay. So it is negative on this side and positive on the other side. And since we are working with continuous graphs, we'll look into polynomials. So set of graphs which we need to draw is kind of polynomials, right? Since we are looking for continuous graphs, that is the best option for us, right? There could be many other types of graphs, but it is better to take any polynomial. And since we have one point where it changes from negative to positive, we should take this as a straight line, right? So we'll draw a straight line here that we'll draw in light green color. Let us say this is the straight line, and that represents derivative of the function. Okay, so f prime x, that is the prime notation. So that is how we can sketch the derivative. So this is at minus 3. Now we need to find the graph of the function itself. So what we notice here is that f dash x, f prime x, or the derivative of the function is linear. So what do you expect the function to be? Function should be quadratic, 1 degree higher. So that is what you should expect. Now, negative on the left side of minus 3 means it is like going down, and positive means coming up, and that is the turning point. So quadratic, and it has a turning point at x equals to minus 3, right? So that is the turning point, and at this turning point the value is minus 6. So at this turning point the value is minus 6. Let us say this is minus 6 for us at 3, right? So before this the graph should have, because it is decreasing, right? So it should be decreasing, right? And after this the graph should be increasing, correct? So as far as f of x is concerned, it is decreasing before minus 3 and it is increasing thereafter. So that gives you clear idea of how the graph should be. It should be kind of like this, right? So we can draw a parabola which could be kind of like this. So any parabola with a turning point with axis on x equals to minus 3 and the vertex minimum value at minus 6 will serve the purpose. So that is how you could get your graph. I hope you understand the logic, how we have done this, right? So we'll take some more examples which will really help you to get the insight to sketching graph of the function from given conditions which include the derivative of the function. Thank you and all the best.